Unfortunately, the video did cut out. I thought that I could finish it off, but I couldn't. So I did finish up the setup, which you kind of just see this literally couple seconds or couple minutes after I have done this. There was just a couple more steps done after doing what the setup on the video I finished on. And once you basically finish up the setup, you will be on the home screen. Now, I don't recall if I managed to say to go through a reset of the device as a last option, but basically what you would want to do to finish up the bypass is navigate into the settings and then scroll all the way down to System and then select Reset right over here, Factory Data Reset, Reset Phone. You need to confirm again the pin that you have selected and then choose Erase Everything for the last time. This will go through a fully automatic factory data reset, which when done through settings forces the device to remove any kind of protection from the device. Now that would be maybe the Google account that could be still present somewhere in the OS of the device, though it's not gonna show up in the settings as an account that is signed in. Also, that would include the pin that you have chosen along with the pattern that maybe still has some kind of data left over. This is basically gonna force the device to remove everything and completely clean out any kind of old and the new data, including protection, for instance. So go through this as a last measure. This ensures that your device is fully unlocked, and from there you'll be taken back to the setup of the device, at which point you can set up your phone in whatever way you want to. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.